Also picked up a pack of these rapid fire Roman candles by Cutting Edge. I think these are actually the Tommy gun Roman candles. I'm not 100% positive. I know that they come with 8 candles, and they also come with their own tube as well, which is pretty unique. I guess that's a way to tell you not to hold these candles, especially in your hand, which I'm not going to do. Probably just going to use the tube that they give you. So definitely looking forward to demoing these off, because these look pretty nice. Rapid Fire, A.K.A. Tommy Gun. I'm going back. Rapid Fire, A.K.A. Tommy Gun.
It's not that sweet. It's not that. That's loud. You got to go around the candle that is loud. Hey, you got a mortar? One mortar right now would be good. For sure. You guys want a light? Yeah, one mortar, but a big one.
They got rapid fire Roman candles. A bunch of rapid fire Roman candles together.